Hi, I'm Dave from Top10.com Reviews. We're here to help make decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our goal is to bring you the 10 best options every time. Let's talk about Nutrisystem. Nutrisystem is a well-known weight loss system that's wonderfully successful at helping people shed pounds, eat better, and maintain healthier lifestyles. The Body Blueprint DNA kit takes weight loss to a whole new level, providing you with valuable insights into your genetic disposition and propensity for gaining weight. Nutrisystem's DNA kit tells you how your body metabolizes foods, what the right nutrients are for your body type, and gives you the plan and tools to achieve your goals. There's one goal in mind here: get fit and get lean. The Nutrisystem kit is geared towards helping everyone find the right nutritional balance to satisfy their hunger and nourish their bodies properly. If you're looking to learn more about how your metabolism works, this is the kit for you. Nutrisystem knows how hard it is to diet, exercise, and live right. So why make it any harder with uncomfortable DNA testing? Nutrisystem's Body Blueprint DNA kit uses the simple cheek swab collection method. Quick, easy, and clean. The Nutrisystem Body Blueprint DNA kit sells for $99.99, but you can get it for $79.99 with a coupon code. The price includes free FedEx shipping, so you get your kit much faster than standard mailing allows for, and free return shipping, and a personalized nutrition plan. Nutrisystem is also fast. You can get your results in as little as 1 week. Considering other services allow for up to 12, this is fantastic. Nutrisystem says it can take up to 3 weeks, but that's still a super speed in light of industry standards. Nutrisystem Body Blueprint DNA test kit does not test for genealogy at all. There's no paternal or maternal data being processed, so there's no need for information about a DNA database or historical records for that matter. Nutrisystem delivers a comprehensive health report based on your DNA sample. You'll get some incredibly interesting information about the way your body metabolizes foods, what your eating behaviors are, which foods you should or shouldn't eat, and which vitamins and minerals your body's lacking. There's also body-specific fitness information. Probably the best thing offered by Nutrisystem is that it delivers a solid action plan. This is a massive, tailor-made 30-page document that tells you everything you need to know about eating and exercising properly for your specific body type based on your genetic disposition. The Nutrisystem Body Blueprint DNA test kit is strictly a health test. As mentioned, there's no genetic testing for genealogy. Instead, Nutrisystem focuses all its efforts and resources on delivering the most comprehensive health and wellness testing solution for eating, living, and exercising most effectively for your body. Nutrisystem doesn't skimp on the customer support options. You can browse through the helpful FAQ section that's fully searchable, or you can use the live chat support option to speak to someone directly. There's also phone support and trained dietitians for support and advice. Nutrisystem doesn't take privacy lightly. Every customer remains anonymous at all times, receiving an ID number so nobody ever knows who you are. Nutrisystem handles your genetic data responsibly, and you can ask to have your information deleted instantly. Nutrisystem has already proven itself reliable and successful with its popular weight loss programs. Now, you can harness the power of genetics to achieve your weight loss goals, feel better, and live healthier than ever before. The comprehensive and personalized action plan really puts Nutrisystem at the top of the list. I hope this video helped you decide whether Nutrisystem is the right DNA testing kit for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.